Hello there, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another question with us from the topic of functions. Let's solve this question together. Given the definition of the function g below, what is the value of g5? G of x is given as x plus 2x times, in parentheses, 20 minus x. So our goal is to find the value of g5. To find the g5, so wherever I see x in the equation, I will just substitute 5 for it. 2 times 5 and 20 minus 5. So when we do the calculations, g5, 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 5 plus, let me rewrite it again like this. There is an order of operation in here. You gotta be careful. You shouldn't be adding 5 and 2 and multiplying by 5. 20 minus 5 is 15. So g5 is 15 times 15. 225 will be the answer for this question. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.